Welcome to BrainPod AI's tutorial series, where innovation meets understanding. In today's video, we're going to dive into an engaging guide to create your content using BrainPod AI tools, bringing the future of technology to your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this tutorial will take your skills to the next level. Let's get started. Let's now try creating an image with our own idea. First, click on the Generate menu. Second one is filling up the prompt with your own idea and anything you wanted to see on your image. Same thing with the negative prompt, but these are the things you would want to avoid showing up. Third, the settings below are all optional, but you can indicate what style, medium, mood, keywords, and inspiration you desire for your image. You can also set it to be realistic or not. Finally, hit the Generate button and you will now see the result below. Select the image to transfer it into your canvas. If you want to change the size of your canvas, click Resize at the top, then select the preset size or set it manually. Then hit the Update Canvas Size button to apply changes. After that, adjust your image to your desired position and size. When you're done and ready to export, you can now hit that Download button. Then set your DPI resolution and compression, and choose whatever file type you want it to be. Sign up today. It's completely free with no credit card required. Go and visit BrainPod.ai and discover how our generative AI can revolutionize your content creation process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the platform. Happy writing!